Hi, in this short demo, I'll be showing you the integration which we managed to achieve between Drupal Commons and SharePoint using CMIS. The CMIS is an open standard for sharing document repositories between various compliant systems. So SharePoint has got its own connector to expose its libraries and via CMIS, and also consume external libraries as well. So we have already installed and configured the SharePoint connector out here. And on the Drupal side, we have a Drupal CMIS API, which is available on the Drupal community site. It actually brings in the CMIS functionality to Drupal, but it isn't completely usable out of the box for SharePoint. The way SharePoint actually exposes its CMIS requests and responses is a bit different from other compliant systems. So we had to tweak the CMIS API a little bit to actually get this integration running, but eventually we managed to do that, and here it is. So I'll just go to this menu item known as SharePoint Documents, and this is something which we added to our default Commons site. So, and I have a document library on SharePoint which is called a CMS document library. So as you can see, a bunch of files and folders out here which we are planning to share with Drupal. So using CMIS, we managed to bring them over here, and all those files and folders are also available here. I can click and download files there, and in addition to that, we have also implemented some basic actions, got these also working. These are actually a part of the API, but they weren't working correctly with SharePoint, so we had to tweak the API a little bit, add some custom code, make some changes, and then everything started working. So I'll just choose a file out here and select upload. Let's switch over to SharePoint library for a minute just to show the files out here, and it's being uploaded here. So there, it got created, and I can just refresh this, and there it is. So I could also go ahead and delete any files if I want. It asks for confirmation. So there, got deleted. I'll just refresh this. There. I can also go ahead and create folders. So I'll just create a new folder here as common files. Switch over to SharePoint and just refresh this view. So it gets created here. You can also browse it like I can browse a SharePoint document library. Click on a subfolder and also upload files in those. Pretty much everything that's available in SharePoint. So this is a solid start. Actually, it gives us plenty of options to play around and dive deeper and create a more robust integration. But this is a very good first step which we have achieved. And hopefully we can bring in more functionality and extend it even further. So I guess that's about it. Thank you.